Hello guys, what's up? What's up guys? Ito ako. Naglalaro ulit ako ng MRT kasi wala akong magawa. Exam namin bukas. Pero okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Bahala na si, bahala na buhay ko. Yeah. Bahala na buhay ko. Pero, may bago na ako headset, par. Ang ingay nyo. Aray ko. Sakit sa tenga. Wait lang. Yan, much better. This idiotic bish. I'm listening to Running in the 90s right now, bro. What even is this? It hasn't loaded in, bro. Yeah, bro. Bruh, it's so laggy, man. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, kung masyadong laggy, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My frame rates are dropping, man. Nag-iipon lang naman ako, boss. In the 90s, run to me. It's Earth. Earth is Earth. Oh no, oh no. No edit kasi tinatamad ako. Like and subscribe po para sa channel ko. Yeah. Yeah. Ewan kong ba't ginawa ko yon pero ming-ming yung profile picture ko ngayon. And yes, nadadali ng bibig ko yung putik na microphone. Bruh. Bruh. Downshift. Bruh. Ah. Ah. Bro, I'm the most with money, man. I have 11 million. Damn. Damn. Chill, man. Wait lang pala, guys. Meron akong alarm. I'm back. May alarm lang ako. Okay, I'm fine. Na-overtake na ako ng lalaking yan. Okay na. I don't need money. Ang lagi talaga, putik na yan. Bruh. Bruh. It is so laggy. Damn. New desire. Take me higher with your speed. I need fire. Satellite. Yeah, bro. Downshift. Downshift. Oh no, oh no. Nah, bro. Bro. The frame rates are freaking killing me right now, man. Kapag sinabi ng mga bonak sa ibang bansa na lahat ng Asians hindi marunong mag-English, de joke lang. Calm down. Bruh. Wait! New desire. The finishing. The EG6. I'm not handbraking. Well, that was a power slide. Damn. Beat of my heart. Behind my heart. I'm vibing right now though. Honey, listen. Listen to you. Into the heartbeat. Better chase your chances right now. A heartbeat. And let me go. Mamaya punta tayo Ichikawa para sa mountain experience nyo. Yeah, bro. Ah! I don't crush. I professional. If I crush, I gay. I will crush right now, bro. Not. I'm just joking. Habibi. Let us do donuts like. Yeah. I like donuts. Listen to you. Yeah, bro. I was controlling that car. Let us go to Ichikawa. Let us go to Ichikawa, my bruda. Bruda! Nah, bro. Mi bombaklat. I travel to Ichikawa region. Bruh. Typical Asian playing Roblox. Bruh. Siya raw po sa mga nanonood ngayon. Sana naman may makapanood nito, no? Tanggalin ko pala yung isa kong headphones. Baka hindi ko marinig kapag may nakatok. Dadating pa kasi kuya ko eh. Wait lang. Let us join the Ichikawa Goliath Marathon. Di joke lang, hinaan ko na lang yung sound sa headphones ko. Mga kasi ang ewan, no? Mga ewan. Yeah, I look like idiotic man. Literally right now. I still hear the car. Yeah, I oversteer. But I don't crash. But I will tap. Into the heartbeat. I have 215 horsepower. This car has modification. Just like, katulad nung kotse ni Chiha na ang pangalan ay Super Mami. Yeah. Damn. That man is idiotic. Yeah, I told you I don't crash but I will tap. It's so lagging. I must slow down to adjust my graphics. I don't have a great PC, brother. Tinatamad na ako mag-English, Tagalog na nga lang. Ano ba yan? English pa ako. Volume. Nasaan kasi yung ano? Yung isa yung hinahanap ko, but ayun yan. Ba't kasi automatic, manual? Yan. Pinakamababang ano, para smooth. Spending all the money you got, they want me to love you now. I don't crash, I do flip. I do flip, I don't crash. Now it's very smooth. Listen. Yeah. No more woman to love you now. Baby! Brr. I drift. Yeah. I'm on a paper trying to call up. Yeah. I do that because it's lagging. As I tell, I don't have great PC. It only got CPU and about 8 gigabytes of RAM. So 4 gigabytes of RAM. 2 sticks. That's all I got, man. Well, that's average. My storage is 256. I don't get a GPU. It comes with a CPU. Okay, we're fine. That's why I gather money for GPU, then stick of RAM. Yeah, that's so lagging. I'm a little bit rusty at this game though. Medyo ano, 1 month na ata ako din naglalaro nito. Di po ako bumangga, ako po ay nag-Tony Hawk grinding. Ngayon atras po tayo. Bro. Natuhog po ako. Ayun. It's so sleepy in second the gear. Oh, that's the dog. Yeah, I really need to listen outside because my brother is gonna come to this freaking the house. Yeah. This is one last lap before I stop this video. Why? Because I need to review for my exam. And my parents are gonna be mad. Please save me. Save me now. Me alone. Meron na ako na-review si AP Max, hindi pa. May tinitingnan pa ako sa computer. Nag-iintay ako ng about sa bookstore sa Mate. Yeah, I answered them correctly. Hopefully. Sana correct. Ginagawa mo dyan, Mi? Kamusta po kayo dyan?